Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your webinars with GoToWebinar, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your GoToWebinar account. Once logged in, navigate to the Webinars tab on the dashboard. Click on the Create Webinar button to start a new session. Choose a title for your webinar that is clear and engaging. Next, set the date and time for your webinar. Select the duration that best fits your content. Now, configure your registration options. Decide if you want to enable automatic registration approval or manual approval. Add a custom registration form if you need specific information from attendees. Move on to the confirmation page section. Customize your confirmation message to reflect the webinar details. Next, set up reminders for your attendees. Choose how many days or hours before the webinar you want to send reminders. Now it's time to design your webinar's branding. Upload a logo or banner that represents your brand. Select a color scheme that matches your company's branding. Once your branding is set, proceed to the Invitees section. Import your contact list or add email addresses manually. Create an engaging email invitation using GoToWebinar's templates. Make sure to highlight what attendees will learn. Now, prepare your webinar content. Develop a clear outline of your presentation. Consider using slides, videos, or screen sharing to enhance your visual aids. Rehearse your presentation to ensure a smooth delivery on the day. On the day of the webinar, log into your account well in advance. Check your audio and video setup in the preview section. Start the webinar by clicking the Start Webinar button. Engage with your audience using the built-in chat feature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.